three charges each equal to 4 nanocoulomb. So that is each charge value is 4 nanocoulomb. This is the 4 nanocoulomb value, 4 nanocoulomb. This is also 4 nanocoulomb. This is also 4 nanocoulomb. So are placed at the three corners of the square. 1 2 3 three squares. Side is 2 centimeter. This is a 2 centimeter. This is the 2 centimeter. This is the 2 centimeter. This is the 2 centimeter. Now find the electric field at the fourth corner. You have to find out the electric field at fourth corner. Now first one is, this is a positive charge. Electric field is outward direction. Electric field is due to the A. This is electric field. This is also positive charge. This is also positive. This is also outward direction. Electric field due to the C. Hagadre, this is called as your resultant electric field by using the parallelogram law. Okay, so now this is the E resultant electric field. So A ಆಯ್ತು, C ಆಯ್ತು, the remaining is B. Okay, so ಈಗ B charge ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. So this is the B charge. This is the electric field. This is also positive charge. This is the electric field is outward direction. This is a electric field due to B. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ the net electric field is equal to the net electric field. The net electric field is equal to, that is a resultant electric field plus electric field due to B. So this is called as equation number 1. So now first you have to find out the resultant electric field. Okay, so you have to find out the resultant electric field. Resultant electric field is equal to E resultant electric field is equal to square root of E A square plus EC square plus 2 EA EC cos now theta. What is the angle between EA and EC? The angle is theta is 90 degree. So this is cos 90. So what is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 value is 0. Okay, now look at the diagram. From the diagram, okay, from the diagram, look at it. So this is a 4 nanocoulomb. This is the 4 nanocoulomb. Okay, so E point hatra electric field anna ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So you know that is electric field is equal to, electric field due to the point charge is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r square. So this is constant value. Q ಮತ್ತು r square distance ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the conclusion part is EA is equal to EC, that is equal to E. So this is the, both are magnitudes are same. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ E resultant is equal to square root of E square ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2E square 2EA square plus 0. So that's value is square root of 2 into EA. Now so find out the value of EA. So EA value anna ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ EA is equal to so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught ಅಂದರೆ 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into charge 4 nanocoulomb 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by distance 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square. So this and this cancelled. 36 divided by 4 okay into 10 to the power of plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದರೆ. So that is resultant electric field is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. Okay, so this is E resultant. Then resultant due to the B. So that is sorry electric field due to B. So electric field due to B 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by, so distance ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, let's see the distance. So ಇದು 2 ಅಂದರೆ BD square is equal to AD square plus AB square. So ಅಂದರೆ 2 square 4 plus 4 according to Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ BD ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 square root of 2 BD ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ BD ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, BD ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So that is equal to, so plus 9 minus 9 cancel, 36 into 10 to the power of plus 4 divided by 8. So 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. Then put in 1 the E net electric field. The net electric field is equal to, so this is the E resultant electric field and this is the EB value. Okay, electric due to the B charge. So put in this equation. Okay, so look at put on this equation. So ER value EB value ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. So that is a net electric field is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4. So that is answer is, so answer 13.5 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. So the net electric field is along, so okay, along ಯಾವ direction ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, so this is along, for example D na E ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so along DE direction, so along D to the E direction. Okay, so this is the answer. So thank you dear students. Okay, so please subscribe the channel.